Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Marjaana. In this video we're gonna do mug and gingerbread Christmas ornaments, and actually it's a great day for some Christmas decorations because in Finland we got our first snow today in Helsinki. How's the weather in your country? Let me know in the comments. But now let's begin. To make my air dry clay ornaments, I'm using this air dry clay from DAS. I'm taking about a handful of clay and then I'm warming up it first. Then I will shape a bar out of the clay and cut it into 4 same-sized parts. I will shape the pieces into mugs, and you can use a little bit water to smooth the surfaces. When you have shaped the pieces into the mug shape, carve out the center. Use a bit water to smooth the surfaces. Then I will make a handle for the mug, and I will make a thin and flat piece for the handle. The handle should stay a bit better if you make the surfaces rough where you attach the handle, and then I will add a bit water to the rough surfaces. Then I will cover the seams, and then I think the handle should stay okay there, at least I hope so. Then I will make gingerbreads. And for that, roll out the clay about 3 millimeters thick, and I have these cute small gingerbread molds that I'm using. Take off the excess clay, and then I will use a straw to poke a hole for the satin ribbon, then leave the pieces to dry. And for the mugs you may need a couple of days that they will completely dry because the dry clay is a bit thicker. I felt like I didn't get the surfaces enough smooth, so I used fine sandpaper to even more smooth the surfaces. So you can use it as well if you like. And after the sanding, wipe the dust off. Then I will paint gingerbreads and mugs using acrylic paint. And for the gingerbreads I'm going to use, well, of course, brown color. And first I will paint the other side. Meanwhile the paint is drying, I will start to paint the mugs, and I will mix a dark blue color because I will use a white marker to make some nice details. I will use white paint marker to make nice details on the mugs. I have no plan what I'm going to do, just trying something here. For the gingerbreads I have this 3D snow effect that I'm using as icing. When the icing is dry, I'm using varnish to protect the surface, and it also gives a nice shiny finish. The last step is to add the satin ribbons, so you can then hang the ornaments on the Christmas tree. I have here white satin ribbon and I'm cutting about 30 centimeter long pieces. Thread the ribbon and tie a knot at the end and cut the ribbon ends diagonally. To prevent the ribbon from fraying, use carefully a lighter to seal the ends. The Christmas ornaments are now ready. What do you think? I think the mugs turned out quite cute. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!